Oh shit. What's up? What's up, Joe? What do you got there? What do you got? Oh shit.
I'll do my homework. I have friends help me. I'll do my homework.
Yeah. This is Toe's 08 Civic Si. I almost bought this. Actually, no, I didn't. But
Then I almost bought this.
yeah. Damn, bro. Fuck, that's so sick. What's up, Simon?
What's up? I'm so tired still. I'm here.
The cat's loose, so.
It's just shit is just moving around, huh? What's up, Aaron? I swear I was doing more shit earlier. I'm not just the guy with the camera.
I'm just here watching. I bought too much today.
Dude, you're all about to be hella famous. We're gonna be hella famous.
Yes, sir.
Damn. All right, that's the stock cat.
You see how ugly this is?
Damn, bro.
You don't do cats anymore.
Nope. Oh, cat right there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it doesn't want to take off?
All right, I was struggling for like 10, 15 minutes on just that, and then Kyleth removes it. And then Kyleth removes it in like 5 seconds. Man, fuck Hondas, bro.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I still like it.
Bro, I bought stickers and they came with headers.
What the fuck? Damn, you spent $300 on stickers? Damn, dude, you're insane.
$600.
$600 on stickers? Yeah. All right, so got the header all connected and shit. So we're about to jack up the car because there's no room to put it up. So we're gonna jack up the car, raise the stands a little bit more, and yeah. From the subframe. Yeah, there's no room to. Yeah.
What's up, vlog? You got YouTube?
Yeah.
Take a shoes, take shoes. Oh, way. You got it right on.
Let's go.
This is a stupid ass wire.
Such a struggle.
Hey,
Fuck.
can you guys look from the top, see where we need to wiggle? This right
So
here.
it's getting stuck.
that-
It's getting stuck on this. Let's see. You guys are at the bottom. Towards your right, this black bracket. So push it more on the left side, so just so you can get most of it through, and then you should be able to wiggle through this one.
Took a 30-minute break. Came back later. All right, let's go.
Stuff like that. Yeah, so we just wiggle that.
Got the header in.
Wherever it's tight, and we tighten it.
Toe and Aaron are still down there.
We just tighten it.
Fuck, man. What are we doing, Toe?
When you get parked at the last minute, we have like
20 minutes, bro. All right, so we got the header in. We got the O2 sensor in. It's just,
this is a gem right here.
yeah, I got that pack too. It's just
Lightsaber.
now we need a 2-bolt exhaust gasket, and we got,
So long today.
bro. Today's been a long ass day. They fucking fed us, dude. They fed us and everything too. I feel so bad. They fed us.
It's all good. The food is made for everyone too, so whoever's there, just eat.
Dude, what?
We started at 12. Look at the time now.
Dude. Fuck, man. What an eventful Easter Sunday. I've never had an Easter Sunday like this before. This is crazy. Bro, tell you're lucky I love you, bro. Cause I'm about to like.
You're about to lose your shit.
I'm never working on an 8th gen SI again.
But you still want it.
I do still want one. Oh man. What are you doing, Kyleth?
Making a homemade gas.
This is our last resort.
This is a
Hey,
big,
man,
bro.
I'm on the A.
What's up,
Don't call my friends.
Come on, man. Use your muscle.
Friend, I have a lot of enemies. I'm like, what? Oh my God, I just told you.
What the fuck?
Still got like
Never mind.
I think so.
He's not ready to go yet.
Damn.
Take your phone out. What time is it?
Okay, Tom, put a spare
What time is
tire
it?
way.
Dude,
go
it's
home.
fucking 9:19. We started at what time? What time we start?
12, bro.
Fuck this thing.
When you do 400.
Finally, 9 fucking hours later, bro. 9 fucking hours later. Let's see this shit. Damn! Oh shit. Oh shit. Damn. Oh. There you go. 35 bang.
All day.
All fucking day, bro. Pilots, we did it. We fucking did it.
9 hours.
9 fucking hours. Off the clock. Off the clock. Huh?
Now we gotta deal with this.
Yeah, this is fucking bullshit. Fuck Alaska, bro. Alright, so right now we're gonna go to an open spot to compare exhausts. We have the same header. We both have a Skunk2 Alpha Header, but we have different exhaust setups. Toe is full Skunk2, so he's basically he has he's just full Skunk2 all around. So he's a 3-inch exhaust all around, and I have the NVIDIA N1 exhaust with the Skunk2 header. So we're just gonna compare exhausts because I'm thinking about upgrading to a 3-inch so that I can make a little bit more power. But yeah, we'll see you when we get there. We're just gonna do a couple exhaust comparisons. So yeah. All right, so we're at the spot. I don't know how do you want to do this, Toe? Oh, okay. All right, Aaron. All right. So remember, my side, Skunk2 Alpha Header with an NVIDIA N1 exhaust, and then Toe is a Skunk2 Alpha Header with the Mega Power RR Skunk2 exhaust. So yeah, we're gonna do a comparison.
Hey, you forgot that one.
And then Aaron is just downpipes.
I don't know, whatever you have.
All right, who's going first?
Hey, what are we doing tonight? 3
3. Okay. 3.5. My turn. My turn.
Okay, we'll go Aaron.
My turn. Y'all got exhaust. I got stock muffler and downpipe.
Shit sound louder than ours.
Yeah, yours about to be hella louder. shit sounds so good
Oh
though.
yeah, dude, you can hear the turbo. Sounds sick.
All right, so how do you feel?
Cold.
Are you happy?
Hella, but fuck, I need a nap.
It's louder than this though.
Oh yeah.
I could hear the difference.
How my two-step sound?
Sound shit.
I don't have that yet.
I wish I had two steps.
He's in full control.
Fuck. I hope so. Good thing he's got Brembos.
Yeah. But they're not really gonna do anything in the snow. Damn, that shit looks fun as fuck.
No pops. No pops. It's okay. Damn. How you feel?
Cold, man.
Cold.
All the time.
We were just talking about how much we hate freaking kids that do donuts at car meets.
Well,
We're not at a car meet, so it's okay.
This is snow.
This is private. This is a private.
This is a private meet, bro. It's all good.
All right, we should all probably fucking go home.
Yeah.
We've been working at this shit
Go
for 9
shower.
hours.
All right.
All right,
It's been a long day.
see you later, bro.
See you later.
Thanks for the help.
That's safe.
Yeah.
All right,
too.
see you, Toe. Have fun.
Thanks for helping.
Yeah, bro. Follow this guy.
couldn't
Follow
do
both
it
of
without
them. Huh?
Couldn't do it without them.
All right. See you guys later. Damn, that came hella close.